In the excitement of the Apple event launching the new iPhone 15, the Apple Watch Series 9 and Ultra 2, everyone is talking about the big features like the USB-C and the new design and the action button and the cool new portrait features on the camera and others that I covered in a separate video. But there are 5 insane things that somehow no one is talking about, and I'd like you to be the first one to know. Oh my God! Let's get into it. First, the functionality to charge your AirPods with your iPhone is finally a reality. With high-end Android users quite used to wireless charging their devices, Apple users have never really had the option, and they have to deal with the frustration of a watch or AirPods running out of battery on a plane or in a taxi. And with this new feature enabled by USB-C, you'll simply be able to plug one end into the iPhone and the other into your new USB-C AirPods, and you'll be able to do a quick juice up and get them going again. Second, the double finger tap gesture on the Apple Watch. Well, the Apple Watch Series 9 and Ultra 2 are not massive updates. On visually looking at them, it's almost impossible to know that they're the new ones, except for the new colors like the pink on the 9 and the matte black on the Ultra 2, which looks really nice by the way. But the really cool feature, which got a bit glossed over in most of the reviews and first impressions, is that you can simply click your thumb and your index finger together to act as if you've actually clicked the primary button on the watch. So you can do things like answering a phone call or stopping a timer or anything else. Watch MKBHD try it out and it seems super accurate to me. This is going to be an amazing feature that can help you when you're holding stuff in your hands to get things done and also be super disability friendly. By the way, don't miss the fun fact that this is the same gesture on the Vision Pro. So Apple is hitting 2 birds with 1 stone when they quietly start to incept these habits in your brain, so that just like when the iPad launched after the iPhone, when the Vision Pro comes out next year, people are going to feel like they knew how to use it all along and they have no idea why. Third, the Series 9 chip is fast and the first real update in 3 years, because even though Apple announces a new name for the chip each year, this is the first year there's an actual upgrade in the technology. But don't Apple Watches feel zippy each year? So why does this chip even matter? It matters because of the small enhancements that it enables. For example, you can now do Siri processing on board, so you don't have to wait forever for the Siri watch to tell you the weather because it needs to go to the central cloud servers far away and it can just process that request on board the watch. I wish there was a way to disable Siri using the digital clown though. I keep accidentally pressing it whenever I'm wearing gloves in the gym or on a bike, and there can be nothing worse that you can hear. When you're waiting for the beat to drop in your ears, you're going hard at the treadmill and you get the Siri robot nice voice instead. The chip also matters because there's also a new ultra wideband that enables super precise location tracking to enable things like Find My Friends, where you can actually locate your friend even in a crowded place. Though sounds like there might be some privacy and safety concerns around this one. Do you have any questions about these features or other features you think I should talk about? Let me know in the comments, and if you're enjoying this video, please do watch till the end because the last feature is truly something that everyone needs. And also please hit subscribe and keep me motivated to stay up late at night making these videos for you. Fourth, connected homes. This feature didn't even get properly mentioned, but it's a super important one for you to know because Apple iPhone Pro now comes with a Thread radio. What? Let me explain. For a long time, all of us trying to build a smart home have been super frustrated because products from different manufacturers don't really talk to each other. A Google Home, for example, won't detect an Apple AirPod. But last year, after years of development and talks, all the big 4 tech players, Apple, Amazon, Google, and Samsung, amongst hundreds of others, signed up to Matter, which is the new smart home standard that helps keep these devices talking to each other, which is incredibly liberating for the user who's now free of the ecosystem lock-in they feel when they finally have their true freedom from the shackles of a behemoth technology player. Kind of like dropping the lightning cable for the USB-C. Too soon for that joke? Sorry, Apple. Sorry. The Thread radio allows for the phone to be the central router in this Matter-enabled smart home ecosystem. While this is still developing, I'm incredibly excited, and you should be too, because soon you can walk into any store and buy any smart home product without worrying about whether it's going to work for you as long as it has the Matter logo. And finally, fifth, there's one criminal update, or rather lack of one. There's still no fast charging. Apple, seriously, fast charging is now par for the course. The Xiaomi 12 Pro charges 0 to full in 24 minutes. The OnePlus 10R does it in 17 minutes. These aren't even premium phones, and the iPhone still takes 2 full hours. And this is just wired charging. The wireless charging is even worse. It's practically unusable on a Plus or a Max iPhone unless it's overnight. I have never used that feature. I mean, come on, Apple. It's been years since this technology was established. Give us the ability to juice up quickly, especially since your smaller phones kind of stop lasting a full hectic day within a year of use. This is a top-of-the-line phone, one which we all love, and I'd love to see it charge fast. And also, I'd love to see it fold. Now that would get me and my wallet to the Apple Store faster than Usain Bolt. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel to keep getting updates, and watch the next one right here. See you there.